Hey guys, Akil Stokes here. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be looking at the dollar Swiss today, and I hope I got a whole bunch of stuff on my charts. I hope you guys are seeing it correctly. But looking for a potential continuation trade to the bullish side here on the dollar Swiss. You can see most recently we put in some interesting movement here on the hourly where we've come down, we've consolidated a bit, popped to the upside, consolidated some more, retested the downside, right? We've been jam-packed with news over the last few weeks or so, and then finally made a run to the upside, not only breaking previous levels of structure here, but continuing that trend and creating higher highs. Now, the thing that recently caught my eye is this key level of structure that we just broke. If I zoom into the chart right here, the next level of structure that was on my radar was right here, this little consolidation zone before these big bearish moves to the downside. And if I bring a horizontal line right in that area, you're going to see that we have recently, right, zoom back out, broken and closed above that level. Now, I follow a four-step process called identify, predict, decide, execute. Within that process, there are certain rules that I follow and obey in order to consistently judge the market, right? So one of those rules are the higher high, higher close principle, where if we have a higher high, higher close beyond a previous level of structure, then, and that would be the identify part of the process, then I can predict that price is likely to go higher. So that's exactly what we've done here. I've identified that we have a higher high, higher close. My rules tell me that I should now predict that price is likely to go higher. That has set me up with my directional bias. Now, the next part of the prediction is if we're likely to go higher, where are we likely to go higher to? And there are a few places that stand out to me, right? Again, if we zoom out and bring a few levels on, one is going to be our lower structure level right here, this little structure support shelf that formed. You can see that runs right into, get my little arrow deal here. Actually, I'm going to use a little highlighter or brush. That runs into a little bit of a structure level there. And another level is going to be higher up right at this level. So how can we determine which one of these levels are going to be the ones that we should pay attention to? Well, we can bring in our volume indicator, right? Once again, we're going to take our volume, our fixed range volume profile, and just drag it from the most recent swing high to swing low that we've seen. And we should get spikes that tell us where are the important levels and where are not the important levels. And we can obviously see that the most important level in the market right here, as far as the volume, is going to be our period of consolidation up here, which is what we would expect, but we bring this tool on just for a little bit of confirmation, maybe for some traders, a little bit of confidence as well. If you're someone that's new to reading structure and you think you see something and you're not really sure, aside from kind of, messaging someone on social media, if you're on the platform with me, kind of shoot me a message saying, hey, Keel, am I seeing this right? Another great way is to use different indicators or different tools, I should say, to build your confidence and give you confirmation so you can know that you're making the right move. So my anticipation was a little bit lower than this structure shelf right here. And again, I choose this one because it's more recent than this one. I have a recency bias when it comes to structure. That's the whole inside versus outside structure philosophy that I had, if you've ever seen me teach a lesson on that. So I'm going to gravitate to this level right here, and I'm going to gravitate to the lower part of this bounce right here, just because I'm a scaredy cat, right? Just because I'm very conservative with targets. So I would be looking for a move, right? I'll keep those levels on just to give you some different options, but I would be looking for a move right here to about 88.75, 88.90s for opportunity higher. So what I'm now looking for in this trade is a pullback opportunity, right? I'm not a breakout trader, so I can't trade it right away, nor would I want to. What I want to look for is price action to give us a little bit of relief. And we may see that coming soon, right? We look at the RSI. The RSI is overbought, right? Overbought means a lot of strength in the market, but it also means that some relief may be coming, right? We saw this before. We look at price action go overbought here, or RSI go overbought here. What do? We get some relief and we retrace a little bit. So hopefully we see the same thing where we're now overbought at essentially the same level, maybe even a little higher, and maybe we'll see some relief. And just as how this pullback allowed for an opportunity to buy the extension, we're looking for this pullback as an opportunity to buy the extension as well. And again, I'm looking for a move up to this level But if you want to be more conservative and even shoot for the smaller level, there'll be plenty of profit available here as well. Or you can also do one of those deals where you talk about taking half off here, taking half off there. It's funny. We just had a session this morning how I explained my way of trend continuation trading, how my personal way is a little bit different than the traditional way. Hopefully I'll get that up on YouTube at some point. It's on the to-do list, maybe tomorrow, Thursday. But there are just different options that you can use. And the key in trading, without getting on too much of a rant, is you want to find the option which fits you best, not just financially, right? We want to make money in trading, that's the goal, but it fits your personality and it fits your philosophy. And probably most importantly, it fits your psychology, meaning you put yourself in positions where you can actually take and take trades the way you're supposed to take them, follow the rules the way you're supposed to. That will create you profit, because the main reason that traders fail is not because of their strategy or not because of lack of skill. It's because they just can't do what they're supposed to do. And that comes from a psychological standpoint. So anyway, I can rant on that all day. You've heard plenty of Trading Coach podcast episodes about that, but wanted to shoot you this idea. Dollar Swiss. Just keep in mind, we do have a unemployment coming out tomorrow at 8:30. We do have non-farms Friday and all the jobs numbers coming out on Friday, right? So we're going to see some fundamental boost in the market. But wanted to give you guys a look at a potential continuation trade. Hit that like button, that rocket ship, support what I'm doing. You guys have been great at doing that. I'm loving the comments. I've been answering all of the questions. Some of them are about the chart. Some of them are about other stuff. There was a guy the other day that shot something about kind of some of the drawing tools, and I was able to hit up one of the admins here at TradingView and give you a message. So however I can help, I want. I don't have an affiliation with TradingView. I don't work for them. I'm a wizard, and I guess part of that wizardry is I said, hey, I want to help out traders on the platform. So if you guys have questions on topic, on off topic, let me know, and I'll do my best to find someone that can get you an answer. All right? Until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. See ya.